Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, those of you that are yet to subscribe, guys, make sure you please click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. We'd love to watch out for it. Also, if you are yet to follow us on Telegram, guys, you will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So there, we are actually looking at a particular trade, especially on GBPUSD. We are trying to look to take a trade on GBPUSD. So make sure you actually follow us. If you are not on Telegram, make sure you open a Telegram channel now. Follow us because we will have put some signals and we are planning to actually enter that trade. Do not miss out. Follow. The link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section. Make sure you follow us. Now let's see what would likely to happen on GBPUSD. Now let's see this movement. What can you see here? You clearly can see that this is a downtrend move, right? Anytime market comes to this our trend support level, we see again came to this our trend support level. Then there was a movement that came to this our trend resistance. Then again to our trend resistance. Then guess what happened? Came to this our trend support level, right? Twice, right? Once it went up, then we saw a movement downward that came to this our trend um, support level. Now we saw this movement that came to this our trend, this level here, then price dropped. Now it has now come to tap this our trend resistance. What are you expecting next? Of course, GBP USD will continue that bearish move to the downside till it comes, to tap this our trend support level. If you have to drag it down further, so for the long run, we'll still be expecting some bearish move on GBP USD. But right now, what can you see playing out? A lower lows here, a lower highs, right? This is a new lows, and what is actually playing out right now is a new lower highs. So once this lower highs is over, then GBP USD is very much likely to continue with the downward movement. So just watch out for it. Now, can it actually break above it? Absolutely, it can do that. There's nothing, I won't say analysis is not 100% sure, but the most likely would happen on GBPUSD is come up a little bit, then we start getting that fall. So GBPUSD is very much likely to give us another drop. But if in case it eventually breaks above it, then no problem, it is what it is, right? You just manage your trade. That is all. So make sure you follow us on Telegram. You will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section.